Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes. Today we are going to explain the topic triangle of chapter 6, the triangle and its properties. Triangle is like this. Suppose it is A, B, C. So in a triangle there are three sides. It is side AB, this is your first side, AB, this is your second side, BC. Now the third side, that is CA or AC, you can write. And there are three angles. This is your angle A, or we can say angle BAC. Both are the same thing because we are talking about the middle number in this, and here it is a single letter. It is a middle letter, it is a single letter. And angle B, or we can say angle ABC. So these are two angles. Now the third angle, which one? It is angle C, or we can say angle BCA. So these three sides and three angles are the parts of a triangle, and three vertices are also there. Which are the vertices? This is vertices A. So there are three vertices in this triangle. Now, how many elements are there? There are six elements in this triangle. Which are they? Three sides and three angles. From the exam point of view, it is very important because in the examination it can be asked how many elements are there in a triangle. So there are six elements in the triangle, three sides and three angles. Topic: medians of a triangle. This is the given triangle A, B and C. Suppose we fold this triangle like this, then we get one middle line. Suppose this line cut this BC line at point D, then our triangle is look like this, in which this middle line, this is ABC, and BC is divided at this point. It is the middle point of line BC and it is the intersecting point D. Now we join this D with A. Then this is AD. This AD is called the definition of median is what? This is the line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side is called the median of a triangle. A triangle has a three medians. Median of the triangle AD is median of a triangle A, B, C, and there are three medians in this triangle. A triangle has three medians. Suppose we draw one more line. It intersects the opposite line at this point. Suppose it is E. Then this is BE is the median. One more from C we draw. Again it cut here. It is F. So CF is the median. So there are three medians in a triangle. Topic: altitudes of a triangle. This is the given triangle ABC in which we draw one line like this. This is AL. This is called the altitude of a triangle. What is altitude? The perpendicular line segment from a vertex of a triangle, this is vertex, to its opposite side, this is the opposite side, is called an altitude of the triangle. A triangle has three altitudes. AL, is an altitude of triangle ABC, and there are three altitudes in the triangle. Now we are going to start the exercise 6.1. This is your question number 1. In triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR, in which PM is, what is PM? After observing the figure, we can say PM is the perpendicular line on QR. So it creates the 90-degree angle at point M, at the vertex M. So PM is the altitude. PM is an altitude. So we can write here an altitude. Now PD is, again we observing the figure. In figure, PD is what? PD is a line that intersect the QR at the midpoint. D is the midpoint of QR. It means PD is the median. Is QM equal to MR? Now we observing this figure in which QM is less than MR. It means QM is not equal to MR. So the answer is no. No, the QM is not equal to MR. For the following, part A, in triangle ABC, BE is a median. This is the triangle ABC, in which there are three vertices A, B and C. From the vertices B, we are drawing the BE. This BE is intersecting AC in two parts. It means E is the midpoint of AC. So it fulfills the condition. In triangle ABC, BE is a median, because median is intersecting the opposite line in a middle. Now the part B, in triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitudes of the triangle. An altitude has one endpoint at a vertex of the triangle and other on the line containing the opposite side. This is the solution figure in which we are showing the triangle PQR. It is right angle triangle at the point P, in which PQ are, it is PQR. PQ and PR both are creating the 90-degree angle at point P. So both are the altitudes of triangle PQR. Now the part C, in triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. This is the figure in which triangle X, Y and Z are shown. We extend this triangle as a YLZ. So YZL is the extended part in which the angle L is in the exterior part of the triangle XYZ. It means YL is creating the 90-degree angle. It means YL is an altitude of triangle XYZ. Now question third, verify by drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be same. This is the answer figure in which we are showing triangle PQR, in which PQ, QR and RS are shown here. In this triangle, PQ and QR are the two sides of an isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? An isosceles triangle in which the length of two sides is same and the length of third side is different. Now we draw one altitude from the vertex P to the opposite side QR. It creates 90-degree angle at point S, and we can say that it is median also because it is intersecting the opposite side in a two equal parts, and the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle are same. PS is the median and PS is an altitude also.